Damn, I just realized I haven't been here in so long. And out here, hella bougie, extra bougie. All right, we are starting at Nike Glendale. Yeah, they've been open for a while because I woke up late. This spot, as well as most of the Nike outlets, usually all about the returns. And this is all they got, dude. It's all they got. These did quietly sell. What was I talking about that? Like, these just sold out like hella quick. It feels like Nike and Jordan, they purposely don't make that many of like certain shoes, certain colorways. And at this spot, they do concentrate on performance. They got the running shoes, workout shoes, and then they got some casuals right there. They still got these, not discounted though. Not discounted thing. The colors really pop. Did they change? They changed stuff on my phone? Crazy. Also got the Rare Air right here. And then in the background, you can tell they still got the 11 low breads. Okay, I really do like these, but $190 right now, just not a good time. I bought so much stuff lately. Super interesting thing that I'm noticing, they're phasing out the Invincible runs. So does that mean we're gonna see a ton of those at the outlets? Invincible Run 3s are phasing those out. I'm pretty sure these Vomero 18s, I think this is the, which one is this one? The Vomero 18s, I think, are taking over. I think they're taking over as the max cushion shoe. Because look at the stack height. The Vomeros have not really been like that. But not very plush, but max cushion. This one, Pegasus 41, shows responsive cushioning and pretty responsive, it looks like. Then this one shows more responsive. So apparently Zoom X is a little more responsive than the React X. Okay. They got this in so many different colorways now. All these go for what, 180, right? 180. And these are 150? These are way less? Dang, that's a hell of a lot of cushioning. I'm gonna have to grab one of these. Hopefully I can find some Invincible runs. I think they're a little bit wider. I think the Invincible runs tend to be a little wider. They do make wide Vomeros and Pegasus, but you kind of have to look for them. Been trying to be a little more healthy, so I've been running quite a bit, so I think I need to upgrade my running shoes. Casual shoe wise, nothing too crazy. Nothing that we haven't seen before. Maybe this colorway right here. Haven't really seen this colorway of the Cortez. It is the nylon. And then we've been seeing those at the outlets lately on sale. Even in the women's, nothing too crazy. These have been sitting quite a few places. These have been widely available. The Seafoam 4s. Wait. They got grade school Kobe's. These are the All-Star 6s. Holy cow, I can't believe they still have these. I guess someone returned their pair. Pretty effing crazy. Holy crap, I'm so surprised to see these. I love the fact that they go from the regular snake print to stars right here. That's just crazy. The fact that it transitions and it has stars. Since this is an all-star size 6, if I found a 6.5, I might know someone who might want them. Size 7 for these bad boys right here. These are the what does, right? So what the Kobe 6s. Wow, that is way surprising. The women's section right there, we got the running, we got the workout, and we got the casuals. This is pretty much the only thing that I haven't seen before. Burlap sack material, type of material, I don't know. It's just woven a certain way. But I do got these 125. Never seen these dunks before. Yeah, I'm definitely surprised to see those right there. Wow. And then these fours haven't been out in a long time. Holy cow. That's pretty crazy. I was 99% sure, but I did ask the worker. I was like, that's the only size, right? That's a return, right? She's like, yep. It's grade school, but still pretty dope. All right, let's go to the next spot. All right, we're headed back to the Glendale Galleria to cross the road from Americana. I forgot how far this Lids is away from everything else. Damn, I guess they're 40% off clearance sale done. But to be honest, this place doesn't really have that much apparel, especially a clearance apparel. Yes, they do have a little clearance section right here. Got a software update on my phone, and I don't know, things just look different. $20, now $15 for Charger Snapback. That is a New Era. Golden State. Those are adjustable New Era hats. Got Lakers Mitchell & Ness fitted right here. These are going for 30, normally 50. Oh, this adjustable one's down to 20. This one right here, 25. This one has like a faux leather brim right there. I don't know what's up with these, man. I don't know, it just looks so bad. $15 chargers right here. Angel's hat. This is a fitted, going for 10 bucks. So they do have some deals, 10 bucks for fitted. It's a 7 3/4 though. Dodgers adjustable, going for 25. Jackie Robinson hat right here, going for 30. This was interesting, like a jersey material one. This is a fitted hat, 30 bucks. Seems like a pretty decent deal. This one looks decent, but I don't know about that color though. 20 bucks, that's not bad. Another Angels one right there for 15. This one looks pretty dope for 25. Cool little patch on the side. These are normally 50 bucks, so got little sales. Sometimes this place has a tiny bit of apparel on sale. Not seeing it today though. They got a few jerseys here and there. Normally I don't hit up that lids. Good thing is most of the sneaker shops on the south side of the mall, pretty much all right here are all the sneaker shops. We're checking out this Foot Locker, starting with this sales rack right here. Limited sizing on all this stuff. They do got some 574s. I like this suede. Got Cordera on it, so supposedly weather resistant. Last of the fake weak dunks, I guess. I got another size of these. A lot of people bitching and moaning about Foot Locker outlet not having 50% off. Now, still better steals than most of the regular Foot Locker stores. I'm trying to remember what the price of these were over there. Were they 40 there? I don't remember. I know these were definitely cheaper. They had these for like 40 bucks at the Foot Locker outlet. 90 for all these 2002 Rs. Nothing too crazy. Let's go see what's up with the Jordan releases over here. This is the retro section. And I guess these are available everywhere still. Okay. So got the ones. Do got the Lucky Shorts 13s. I can't wait to find one at the outlet maybe, hopefully. I don't know. Is it gonna happen? Everybody's got those. And then I can't believe they still got these. I think they got a restock or something. But they got those 13s. I forgot the colorway. It is interesting because we've seen the tech challenges on sale at most spots. 4 different foam posits right there. And to give Nike credit, these are still $230. I feel like they've been $230 for quite some time. Did I say 4 different colorways? The 2 top ones are the same, right? This one's $240. This is the latest release, so I guess they did go up $10. And yeah, these are the foam posits. We saw those bad boys right there on sale at the Foot Locker outlet. Not here though, see? And then they do have these. I haven't seen these anywhere. Holy cow. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, they do got these. There's a lot going on. This is Kyrie's casual line right here. Is it the Kai L's one? I don't know. Kai L's one? I don't know. But there's a lot going on, holy cow. This is suede. All suede right here. You can see his logo in the back. They got 2 different colorways. 2 different colorways of these. How much they going for? No price tag on any of them. That's interesting. And then they got the LaFrance right here. They got 3 different colorways. We saw the green one at the Foot Locker outlet lately. But yeah, they do got the silver, the tan, as well as the black here. Yeah, these are what, 110, right? 110. This is their off-court section. Apparently not retros, but casual shoes. They got hoop shoes right here. And they got another hoop section right here as well with all the Hardens, as well as the AEs. 3 different colorways of the Kai 1 Speeds. Man, it sucks that he got hurt this season. Man, I think Dallas would have been so much better if they had him. Like, I legit think they would have been a nice playoff team. But yeah, I got these AEs right here who killed the Lakers all by himself. Damn, that sucked for the Lakers. Damn, it is what it is. You got the Hardens right here. These are the Harden 8s, right? And you got the Harden 9s. These are $160 now, so they did go $10. Got on running or on? Is it on running? I don't know. But they also have Hoka section, which means we might find more of those at the outlets, hopefully. Then they do have a kids section over here. I don't see anything crazy though. Do they have a raffle for some SBs? I don't know. And by SBs, obviously I mean SB dunks. They got 2 different colorways right here. And then of course they got a few more. Normally I would grab this one, dude. I really do like that one. I like the suede. $125 for these. And then this one I'm not liking too much. This has that mixture of the suede as well as buck leather. I'm not too much a fan of those. I like these right here. I have the one with the gum bottoms, but this one, the black bottom for these. $115 for these bad boys. And then the deconstructed one right here, man, it's already starting to get jacked up right there. I'm not a fan of these at all. Last size right here, size 12, $145. And they do got all kinds of sales items. I've showed quite a few of them. Yeah, in somewhat of a hurry, so you know what, we'll focus on these next time. Let's check out this shoe palace. Look at that huge screen. Has that always been there? I don't think so, right? All right, do got the Jordan section right here. I love the wallpaper that they use. They got cool, I guess it's a custom Jordan wallpaper with all kinds of baseball cards in the past. That's freaking dope, dude. And they kind of had the same ones that they had at Foot Locker right there. Do got the burger one right here, the burger mid, which is $135. They still got these 9s. They got so many colorways of the Spizikes. I see a lot of people talking about Spizikes. They look alright. They look alright. $160. I don't think I've seen these gray ones. These are all going for what, $160. I mean, that was so many freaking colors. Man, they're all $160, right? Yeah, man. Oh, they still got the Rookie of the Year lows. Were these easily available? I don't know. Did they get a restock? I don't know. $140 for the Rookie of the Year lows. The OG, man. The low OGs material is just so much freaking nicer. I love tumbled leather as opposed to non-tumbled buck leather. And then do got some Skechers. Didn't Skechers have shoes like this where it's supposed to rock and it said, hey, it can help you lose weight or something, help get your ass fat or something? I don't know. Didn't they mention something like this? I don't know. There's some Adizero Arukus, $140 for these. We've seen these in a couple different colorways now. Yeah, there's a black one right there as well. Additional colorways of these messy shoes right here coming out. We've seen like so many different messies with the F50s. Not really too familiar with these. Yeah, because we've seen those pink ones, these black ones. They do got the Kobe slides right here. Damn, I wish I made a short with the Kobe stuff at the Nike outlet. God dang, or the Nike retail store. God dang it, I messed up. My bad, you guys. But yeah, these feel cheap, dude. $42. They're hella light, but they just feel hella cheap. Dang, this is like the Victory slide, right? The Victory slide. But yeah, $42 for that one. We got a couple more stores. They still got the Playoff 6s. I'm so glad I found those at such a big discount. They still got them for $2 here. I think I paid like $100. That's what's so great about doing what I do. Got the Spizike section right here. I'm tripping. I totally forgot to check out their sales section. Yatu's going down. 2002 Rs right here. Dang, you can like see through it, huh? There's a lot of ventilation. $574 in the women's right here. I think this is the women's or kids section. We'd see some bigger discounts, nothing too crazy. They've been giving these away. Oh, we saw these for like $60, right? A couple different colorways we saw for like $60. The Foot Locker outlets. Telling you guys go to the regular malls, man. Y'all start appreciating the Foot Locker outlet more. God dang, dude. I think that's why I've been hitting the Nike outlets a lot more often. Even though it's a longer drive, I've been hitting them up because they just got way better deals right now. They do got sales on all these Forces, but like I said, the Nike outlets, the Foot Locker outlets, just way better deals. $100, not too bad. KD 17 Easy Money, nice little sale on these. But yeah, I feel like the outlets have been a lot cheaper lately. Obviously, selection not there. They got all kinds of sneakers here. All right, last store at the mall. Got a Rookie Kids too, but I don't really feel like stopping by there. I don't need any grade school shoes. There probably are a couple, but I'm too lazy. We got Vomeros for $100. That's not bad. A gray colorway right there. Got this one down even cheaper. Okay. This one we've been seeing on sale for way cheap lately. Forrest Gump Cortez going for $10 less. At least that's the start, and they have all the sizes, so eventually they'll go down. And more Hokas everywhere, which is such a good thing because hopefully we get them discounted soon. Vinsons right here. I've never seen these. Outdoorsy ones right here. They're pretty heavy though. The Bondi 8s. Aren't the Bondi 9s out now? So these gonna get discounted eventually. Come on now, man. Hook us up, doggies. But yeah, I think if we're patient, even Hokas, I think will start going on sale. Yeah, and this is kind of weird because they don't have the 11s over here, but they do have it. They do have them in a case right there. What the hell? Don't they want people to try them on and stuff? I just realized I haven't been showing you guys what I'm wearing, but yeah, I do got some SB Dunks. These are the, what the hell is the Black Sheep collab, All-Star release from 2019. I'm wearing socks underneath, just no-show socks. Then wearing a tank top as well as some shorts. These shorts are so faded. I don't know if you could tell, but they're so faded. They're fleece Jordan shorts. I haven't even worn them that often. I haven't even worn them that many times, and they're all faded as hell. That's why, man, I haven't been buying especially the black fleece shorts because they just get faded. But yeah, I do got a tank top jacket. I'm wearing a Niners jacket. I don't know. I'm so curious to see how the Niners are this year because, man, I don't know. I was hoping they picked up more O-linemen and stuff during the draft, but they concentrated on defense. I don't know. But yeah, got plenty coming. We're out, you guys. We're out. Hopefully this video was long enough, but got plenty coming. See y'all.